welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Monalisa Rumbai presenting to you the news and events from Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. District Sports Officer honors young achievers of West Khasi Hills. Maushindut residents protest KHADC relocation proposal. High voter turnout in Gambegre constituency by election. And Rikhan leaders thank officials for Sakwang village development progress. And now the news in detail. The District Sports Officer DSO of Nongstoin West Khasi Hills organized a felicitation ceremony to honor youth achievers who brought recognition to the district at the state-level youth exchange program in Shillong. Participants excelled in several categories, including first place in folk song group, folk dance solo and folk song solo, and second place in declamation and poetry competitions. Notably, Banraplang Wanyang and Jopsilin Kardosau were selected to represent India internationally. The event took place at the Deputy Commissioner's DC residence, with the presence of DC Garrett LSN Dykes, DSO BSM Don Khuborjylla, Don Khuborkhasi, former DGP Onesimus Pasi and ASP Bantailang Kharjana. The awards encouraged the youth to continue excelling and inspire others.
Ôi, thông tin mình không sai lên.
Là đặc quá xí xa, quay được phi là phát đến trong phi, là đây là cái district, trường văn sông, cái này cái chất cả. Ta cái đây là quá nó đủ cái xin cái trong này. Cái bên con là snow, là xem cái đường lát bên ai đây là phá rõ, thì Samla, cái thầy bát chân răng, thì là xem bên ta, cái này cái youth exchange program hợp cái district, cái mình đón hàng đấy, anh đây ai play cái phá rõ, nằm ở cái chuyện job của cái con cái chúng cái lòng, là cái chuyện nhà buôn, cái bộ văn skemat, ban xem bên ta, but ai xem được cái này bên ta, cái ban phần cúp burom như thế, người phần cúp burom như thế, cùng cái dark cái chuyện snowman, ban ai mới xem được thế, người cầm đây ban cúp sarong như thế, mà xem như cái này, xem như cái burom cái bậc là job, but ai bên cái nông phần sarong như thế, và cái quất tăng hàng này, thì cúp burom như in cái lai teliki kat di balayo aka first prize la duk jatuh ini layo first prize hakika folk group dance ke folk solo dance but ke folk song solo pat kum juru ye ini haka poetry competition kum district ni da sio sorong Bapilawan Ra yang burom ke district.
At state level, evaluation kia hagaba ban guide lani ban yalam ya pi ban penpet pen bahasa kita kijing ki competition ki bangin le Asian mentai sete. Namar ngatip hot ni ladon ya ke district level hani ka bangila jet ki kena ki job. Bad hadian kata ngala shu IT iba Josephus iba Don bad ikong badaro kubju bakin kampen bahasa shu di bad kalong ke ka bas ngau tenat habangi Don chate shu state level bangin yo i baki kena ki jongi nakathan ke jongi ki ele bah bad going and ong efi haka group folk song lele ni ngampoi perkhat bangin job namar ki bhoi ru ki trem ha ang tagi West Gentiaro kumba pipila yo ihi kumno kierwai ndrengam poi perkhat di siya bangin job ya ka group folk song de ndrei ke baro ka de ke jing tre shitom ka jong pi ning kong ya ka ba
Residents from 21 villages in the Maushinrut area gathered outside the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council (KHADC) to protest a proposal to relocate their villages to Ramrai constituency. The Joint Action Committee (JAC) representing the villages stood outside the closed KHADC gates, voicing strong opposition to the relocation plan. According to the JAC, the residents feel the move would disrupt their community and lead to administrative challenges. Protesters urged the council to reconsider the proposal, emphasizing the cultural and logistical importance of remaining within their current constituency. Voters in the 56 Gambegre constituency turned out in impressive numbers on November 13 to elect a new leader of the Legislative Assembly following the resignation of former MLA Saleng A. Sangma. Sangma, who previously represented the Congress party, stepped down after winning the Tura parliamentary seat as an MP. The election department reported a strong voter turnout of 90.84%. The constituency, which has 33,888 registered voters, saw active participation from 16,881 women and 16,207 men. Voting took place across 51 polling stations with special provisions for 32 homebound voters, including those with disabilities. The high turnout reflects the community's strong engagement in shaping its political.
And voting timing was from 7 a.m. to 4 p.m. Total number of voters were 33,088, out of which 16,881 male and 16,207 female voters. We have distributed 54 number of those on for home voting, and out of that 32 have chosen home voting option. We have total 3 service voters in the assembly constituency. Today polling went very peaceful. Mock poll also completed well within time, and polling started in time. So bi-hourly polling report what we received, so from we keep on getting, and So by 11 a.m. there were 37.5%. By 1 p.m. it was 49.3%. By 3 p.m. it was 67.8%. And by 5:30 the report which we received, it was 80.91%. But the figures are keep on coming as the polling was ongoing in few polling stations, and all the figures have to be properly compiled. So by 6 p.m. the report what we received around, so total 90.84% in all the 51 PS.
Can you repeat, sir?
90.84%. These are the voting figures what we received till time. They yet to have compiled and match with the presiding officer diary and everything. So we can't rule out little bit variation over that. But more or less whatever report till time we received, so that is yet 90.84% till time. So there were the 51 polling stations in the Gambigiri. There were no polling station which identifies as critical or vulnerable. We did webcasting in all 51 polling stations, but there were some network set areas where an MPRO and all the alternate measures, micro observers have been deployed, and 12 sector magistrates, sector officers and 4 zonal magistrates were also been deployed. The teams were there for the all round the clock.
Poland Sopho, chairman of Rakhine, and Ba New Nongram, vice chairman, expressed their gratitude to Rakhine Lingdo Sakwang land inspectors for their commitment to development efforts in Sakwang village. With the upcoming KGP Sinot Sepngi Rangba event in 2025, infrastructure improvements such as roads and water supply have become a priority, reaching approximately 80% completion. Sopho conveyed his appreciation for the government support, highlighting the transfer of responsibility to oversee these developments. He also thanked MLA Baranekton El Tongkar for actively leading these initiatives. The community looks forward to the completion of the remaining works in preparation for the Synod gathering.
Không là tao hai. Cái lâm sai tim của lắc mắt hả? Bây giờ lắc tao ở nào làm này. Ơi, tại internal road để kira chắc hay bạn.
Good morning, Ifiki. Mediator, mentang sengi kendung pihak kanega. Si khalai trik step mentang ne Shillong Sakwang. Apo jing Peit jong kari Khailang do Sakwang tubade ka nong.
The Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council KHEDC has scheduled a follow-up meeting on December 19th to address demands for relocating 3 polling stations to Maushin Road constituency for the upcoming MDC elections. The decision followed a discussion between KHEDC leaders and representatives from the Joint Action Committee JAC. Deputy Chief Executive Member Bapi NCM informed the media that the council agreed to revisit the JAC's request after a constructive meeting with its leaders.
Pak Victor, kuntu yang sudah pan ya keren berki perlok naga Joint Action Committee. Kabar kaji kuat juga kalau ban penne ikini lightly ki polling station kata kamu ka Mausmai polling station kala Dongdai polling station kami say polling station bakin nangne apa ka 29 Maushin Road MDC constituency Namar ko mapilati bi bahaga yung dorbar nga pas ya ka dimsyon amendment bill ba 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 asen go daw governor ka bagini gilay taligi polling station ka mau sumai kala dongdai kami sei nga panhap biang siya ka 28 Rambrai Jingam Konjungsi kajingmut yung yang Khubor kalong namar ba kini kita lagi polling station ki hap haka Rambrai haka MLA ke kadon ka jingong jong katu kami jong ba balai ngimbu lang be haju bat MLA bat MC hadirin bangila pas ba asem gubernur kalong ain menta dan lagi ni ki perlok kumbang pau minta resmi ki babon ki mohon ya kaneka ka bangila.
So viewers, that is all for today. This is Mona Lisa signing off. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.